In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on explicit filter on Amazon Music. If you want to keep songs with explicit lyrics from playing, Amazon Music offers an explicit content filter. Where you find it can vary a bit depending on your device and app version, but I'll walk you through the most common place to enable it and share a few important notes so you know exactly what to expect. Start by opening the Amazon Music app on your phone or your computer. Once you're in, head to Settings. On many versions of the app, you'll get there by tapping the gear icon in the top right. If you don't see a gear, open the main menu and choose Settings from there. In Settings, look for a section labeled Music Preferences or Playback. Inside that section, you should see an option called Block Explicit Songs, or something very close to that wording. Turn that toggle on. When it's enabled, tracks that are tagged as explicit won't play in your Amazon Music app. Depending on the view, you may see those tracks grayed out, or the player may simply skip them during playback. A quick word about how this filter works. It relies on the explicit tags assigned to songs by labels and the service. It doesn't bleep or edit lyrics, and it won't turn an explicit track into a clean version. Instead, it prevents explicit tagged songs from playing at all. That means if a song isn't tagged correctly, it might still play. But in general, the filter does a solid job of keeping explicit content out of your queue. It's also helpful to know that this option doesn't appear everywhere. Availability can vary by region, by app version, and by device type. If you don't see Block Explicit Songs in your settings, your current version of Amazon Music may not include it. That's normal and depends on where you are and what you're using. For families, Amazon Kids and Echo Kids Edition devices often have explicit filtering turned on by default, and it's managed separately from the standard Amazon Music settings. If you're using one of those devices, the filter may already be in place and controlled through its own parental settings. To recap, open Amazon Music, go to Settings via the gear icon or the menu, find Music Preferences or Playback, and turn on Block Explicit Songs. Once that toggle is on, explicit tagged music will be blocked or skipped when you play your favorite playlists and stations.